Tough follow. Give it up for Emily. Yeah. Good evening, everybody. We are here to celebrate all the achievements of the class of 2028 as they make the transition from middle school to high school. This group of kids is truly something to be proud of, filled with tremendous artists, athletes, musicians, actors, actresses, dirt bikers, skateboarders, and even scooterers. Most importantly, tremendous young adults. I really encourage you all to continue participating in clubs, drama, and sports throughout high school. If you're already doing a club, keep doing it. If you haven't participated yet, you should really try. All of these extracurricular activities teach you lessons that cannot be taught in school, like teamwork, sacrifice, and giving it your all, not only for yourself, but others. I've known most of the kids on the stage for 3 years, having taught some of them for 2.5 years and coached some of them for 6 years. Over the course of these 3 years, I've had the privilege of watching you guys grow and transition from loud, obnoxious, and goofy 6th graders to loud, obnoxious, and goofy 8th graders. That is not necessarily a bad thing, though. As with time, you all have been able to mostly identify that there are moments where it is appropriate to be loud, obnoxious, and goofy, whereas when I met you, it would just be 24/7. Never lose that ability to be loud, obnoxious, and goofy, especially with your closest friends and family. Continue to live life having fun. In high school, you'll have many highs and many lows. You'll have great days, terrible days, and everything in between. Some of you will stress about the work, some of you guys will not stress enough about the work. Just remember that it'll be okay as long as you're putting your best foot forward and trying your best. For those of you who stress a little too much, try to take time to think about fives. Ask yourself, will I remember this in 5 days? How about 5 weeks? And lastly, 5 years. If you do not think you will even remember stressing about it in 5 days, then it's not worth stressing about. If you think that you will remember it in 5 weeks, then maybe it deserves some attention, it's still not worth stressing about. If you think you will remember it in 5 years, then it will require your attention and is valid to stress about. To those who do not stress enough, just know that the next 4 years are important and that work has to get done eventually. Throughout your high school career, I want you guys to know that the most important thing is to be yourself. You don't have to be what everyone else is. You don't have to be what people think you are. Nobody can tell you what to be. That is up to you. If you do not know who you are or don't know who or what you want to become, that's okay too. Take your time. Don't feel rushed. And simply be yourself. Never be afraid to do what you think is right. There are infinite possible paths to success after high school, and no one option is the best. If you want to go to college after high school, then do it. If you don't want to go to high school after college, don't do it. If you want to go to a trade, do it. If you just want to start working, do it. Take advice from people you trust, but make sure your own decision. Make sure to make your own decision and own path to success. You're all such great kids, and everyone in attendance is so proud of you. You don't always make the best decisions, and many of you have had to pay the consequences for bad ones. Just remember that that is a part of growing up and life in general. Everyone in attendance today has made more mistakes than they can remember. The important part is you own your mistakes that you have made, be honest about it, learn from it, and move on from it. Making a mistake, no matter how large, does not make you a bad person. It is how you move forward that is the judge of your character. I hope in the 3 years that I have taught you all, you have learned a lot from me, as I know I've learned a lot from you. I've learned patience, anger management skills, bunny breaths, that it is 100% necessary to screech like an eagle after the Pledge of Allegiance, and that saying no question is a dumb question is completely false. You guys have a long dumb question. Lastly, I'd like to thank you guys for allowing me to be your teacher, your coach, and for letting me give your guest teacher speech. We have had a great 3 years together, and I am so proud of each and every one of you. Please come by and visit next year. You all know my door is always open if you need help with math, want to show me a picture of a fish you caught, talk about last night's game, or just have someone to talk to. I wish you all the best in high school.